Welcome to a new video, and something from Tower Headland area. They've got an event on there, I'm not entirely sure what's going on, but if I pan the camera around, look at that sea. It is pretty darn rough. It's a rough one today. Team coming over the sea wall. Look at all that foam down there. Just flying over. All these people taking pictures and videos of it. Nah, it is pretty epic though. I don't want to get too close so I can help it, because I don't want to get absolutely wet through by the seawater. Yeah, these waves are pretty epic. I mean, look at them up there, to the wind. I'm so glad I'm not using my Pocket 3 in this. And look at all this, that's just come over. Everyone's trying to get really close up to it. Look at all that foam there. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going to brave it. I'm not going to get that close, I'm going to go behind it, go in front of this. Definitely windy. Bit of sheltered around here. We've got the R&L eye shop there. I've not really been in that properly. Yep, now we're back to it. It is extremely windy. You got the wheel on central pier going. Now the question is that actually running? Or is that the wind? No, it's actually gone. I thought it might have been the wind blowing it. But well done to people that are actually going on it. I certainly wouldn't like to go on it, especially in this. It is pretty windy. Yeah, these rocks here, I've only just noticed that they're like a heart shape. Sort of. I think that one is definitely. Yeah, look at all this foam just blowing up onto the prom. I bet no one predicted this coming. look at those waves. Look at that wheel. There's no music going on at the moment, so it's not too bad. I mean, they've probably got it closed off due to wind. You got Happy Days open over there. Happy Days amusements.
Right front of the derby, long man on another game. Actually, most of the kids coming in and join us. There's only £1 a game, £1 a game. Right, for the winner of each race, come over and join us on the derby now. Hello, young lady.
$1 million question is, how far can how far can I actually walk up the prom without getting saturated? And just look at that, even the barriers are falling over. Got a seagull there, struggling to fly. Yeah, they're all trying to fly against the wind. Probably best off just flying with the wind. Won't get very far in this anyway. Now look at them, they're just like a kite floating. Yeah, look at all that foam there. Yeah, just look at all that. Maybe that high point here, and I'm getting a bit wet. Yeah, look at all that. One thing I don't like about with it being so windy is that you get the sand blowing about. You've got a beach patrol coming. Probably warning people to get off. Yeah, so all the time I've been in Blackpool, I've never really witnessed anything as bad as this. I'm even walking a bit further away from the sea this time. I just don't fancy getting absolutely wet through by it. It's not exactly the nicest things to get wet by. It's that bad you can actually smell the seawater. I wonder what's going over there. Got a Nina on the Lindeen Hotel car park. You got trams going by first thing in the morning. That's not first thing, but I was going to say I got a bit short then, but it's now gone. Yeah, what? Have another look now. We're heading towards south because we've got a bit more cover around here. Got the sanders, got the sanding grasses cover. Yeah, if you're in Blackpool and it's over like this, just make sure that you're safe. Because with the high winds and the sea being like that, it's not exactly the nicest of things to be in. It's pretty bad. Yeah, even the waves up near South Pier, they're pretty bad, you know. I mean, wow. Check that wave out. Just crushing up against the seawall. So glad I brought out my action camera instead of my pocket away. Well, I've got my pockets away with me, but action camera is more waterproof. It's just the microphone I'm a bit concerned about. And I think the microphone's splash proof to a certain degree. I don't think it would actually last a downpour or anything like that. Yeah, look at all that. People think, oh, it's just a bit of water. Yeah, it's sea salt water. Yeah, you think to yourself, like, it's not all that bad in land. Probably isn't, but as soon as you come onto the coast, this is what you're greeted by. And even the tram cables are waved a bit. I mean, I'm sure we've had a lot worse than this before in the past, but that is pretty... It's pretty insane. Rough waves of Blackpool. It's one angry sea, I'll tell you that. It's amazing how the wind affects how strong that sea gets. Yeah, the wind's coming in from the west, so it's definitely a westerly wind. I mean, just look how insane that is. You got all these seagulls over here, all gathering. Not sure whether the people there have food on that, so it's attracting seagulls, or whether the seagulls will just use it to shelter from the wind. With the wind being so strong as it is, the sea being so rough as it is. Now as they get closer, I'll find out what's actually going on. I mean, that's a lot of goals. More likely, people there have probably got food, so the seagulls are going mad for the food. Now look at them all just floating about, but they can't really go anywhere. Anyway, I'm going to end that video there for now. So hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. Catch you all in the next video. Take care, peace out.